This event is the 2026 New Jersey Climate Change Research Symposium. It's an opportunity to bring together researchers to share their scholarship related to climate change, specifically for New Jersey. And that's very important because climate change sounds like such a global thing, but it really affects us locally.
An event like this really allows researchers to kind of find out what others are doing within their different fields of research, to see what other opportunities there may be for networking and partnering on new research projects, and help to identify where there might be gaps and needs for additional research in the future.
Today I heard from climate scientists, agricultural researchers, energy researchers, political scientists, social scientists, all gathered around how do we make New Jersey more resilient and how do we prepare for the future.
Your work is vital in helping our state in its efforts to confront climate change, which affects almost every facet of society. It's critical that we support research to address greenhouse gas emission reductions, as well as how to adapt to these changes.
People within the policymaking space, as well as some of the stakeholder groups we work with, are more than welcome to attend to learn what's going on and how they might be able to use it in some of the work that they're doing outside of the university.
Extreme weather happens regularly now, and that's because of climate change, and it affects the energy systems that serve our state. But we know what the solution is. We know decarbonization is the solution. We know that electrification makes energy more reliable and cheaper. So it addresses the energy security issues, it addresses energy equity issues, and it's much more sustainable from an environmental standpoint.
The cheapest and very clean energy is solar. We should be going crazy on solar. We got to reform the grid. We've got to do a lot more battery storage. The great thing about battery storage is you store it when it's electricity's in abundance, and hopefully from renewable sources. And when there's a greater demand on the grid, you take some of that cheap electricity and you put it into the grid, and you kind of round off the rough edges of peak demand.
I'm energized by an event like this because I see all these younger people, these students, graduate students and postdocs, and young academics doing extremely important work, building on a body of knowledge.
And it's really the role of the universities to kind of carry the torch when it comes to allowing this work to continue to be done, and to make sure that it's going to be available to future decision makers and future generations who are going to need this work.
We can't deny the work needs to be done. It has to, and we know it's a difficult time, but we're also determined to keep going, and that's why it's even more important that we have gatherings like this to share our work and to build coalitions to support the work.